From my screen, you can see that I've already created my ClickBank account, which I showed you guys in my other videos. And if you haven't watched those videos, I will leave a link in the icon above as well as the description box below. So just check it out, how to create your ClickBank account in Nigeria or wherever you are, it doesn't matter. So I showed you guys step by step how to do it. I have 2 videos on that, so just watch it. So your ClickBank will look exactly like this, and this is currently in the marketplace. This is the marketplace actually. So in this video guys, I'll show you guys how to promote your product, and also the best products that I showed you guys in my previous video, how to promote it and get it free traffic. I'm showing you guys the free traffic method in this video. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. But before I get into this video, I want you guys to do me 2 simple favors. Just smash that like button real hard, and don't forget to take action after watching this video. So that being said, let's dive into the video. So this is ClickBank marketplace. So once you go to the marketplace, just leave the find products and click on the search icon. Don't put anything inside the search, just leave it and click on the search icon right here, and it will load up and it will sort it by gravity, by the highest converting product out there by gravity, to sort it out. And this is the first one, called the biggest blockbuster of 2020, the proven huge epics, which I showed you guys in my other video. This is the first one, and you get paid 153 USD just by one single sale. So if you make a sale, you get up to this, and if you convert it to your local currency, you know what it is. Then the second product is called Resurge, the Godzilla of offers. This is 114 USD just by one single sale. And all these products are selling, they have high gravity scores. So this is the third one, Steel Bite Pro, and it's 108 USD. So all these are selling high and they pay well. And in my other video, I showed you guys these 2 called CB Engine, how to know upcoming products out there in order to beat the competition, so that you guys won't be competing with other affiliate marketers out there, because trust me, there's a lot of competition in the affiliate marketing field. So just to beat ahead of the competition, go to this website, cbengine.com. I will leave a link in the description box below so you can easily access this wonderful website. So just go there and click on this CB new products, click on it, and it will load up another interface, and you sort it by the highest converting one. So this is the highest converting one for now by gravity. As you can see from this gravity, this is 3.8, and this is Astro Triggers, and this is upcoming mega launch. They're just launching it. This is upcoming, so you can dive in to promote these products right now, so you can beat the competition as well. Another cool one is called this one that is called La Destructor. Pardon me if I didn't pronounce it well, but it has 3.54 gravity score. Okay, so scroll down, you see other ones are 0 apart from this one, but you can't compare this one that has 3.2 to 1 point. And on my other videos, we had one that has 75 points or something. Check out that video, you know. So these are products that are just launched and there's no much competition, so you can just take advantage and start promoting it, and you can beat the competition and make a lot of money before everyone catches up. So that's how it works. So this is the CB Engine platform. So in this video, let me quickly show you guys how to promote. So I will encourage you guys to promote from the CB Engine. Promote these first 2 that has high gravity score, this one that has 3.5, this Astro Triggers, as well as this one that has 3.54, this La Destructor. So these 2 are good to promote from this CB Engine, the upcoming products. And from the ClickBank marketplace, you can promote the first 3. Once you sort by gravity, you can promote the first 3, which is this 1, 2, and this third one, this Steel Bite Pro. This is the first 3. You can promote the 3 of them, because they are the first 3 that is converting. So it's all together I have like up to 5 products to promote, but this might vary depending on the time you want to promote. As of the time I'm recording this video, this is the hottest product out there. Today is 28th of October 2020, so this is the one that is hot out right now. So just promote on it. If I click on promote for this one, it will load up, and I'll get my hop links, which is specifically for me, that are generated by ClickBank, so I can be able to promote it. Click on generate hop links, and you generate a hop link for me. Anybody that buys their product using this hop link or automatically get a commission, which is a whooping sum of 153 USD. That's what I'm getting. So this is the hop link. I've copied it. Let me quickly go to my notepad and paste it right here. But what I like to do is I'll go to this wonderful website called bitly.com, which I showed you guys on my other videos. This is bitly.com, and what I like to do is I'll create a new link here. Just register on bitly.com. It's like a two-step verification, and I'll paste the link here where it says paste long URL. Once you paste on it, it will generate a shorter version of the link, so your link will look neater. Now you can title it whatever you want to title it. You can title it Huge Epics, but I've already done it. If you look right here, you will see the Huge Epics. See right here, I created it. So I might title it something different, like let me say weight loss, and that's it. I can change this, I can rename this just to make it more creative. I might say weight loss product, or let me just say weight loss as well. So this is just the title. I might just title it this, Bitly weight loss, and click on copy. I'll copy it first, then save it. I'll just save it right here. So the custom link has already been taken, so I might just say weight loss huge X, right? So click on copy and create on hop links. Okay, so it has been created, link has been created and edited, so I'm good to go. So I can easily copy this right now and close this tab. So go back to my notepad, click enter and paste it below. So this is my custom URL, http://bit.ly/weight loss huge epics. Can't you see it looks neater? Compare this to the first one. This one looks neater, right? So let me give you guys a bonus tip before I go on to this video. Once you come back to ClickBank, the highest converting niches out there, first is weight loss, okay, and it falls under the bracket of health. So health is the first thing, because people that normally buy this product are people like in the middle age, like let me say 30 to 50 something or above. So that the people that are interested in weight loss and all that. So health is number one. The second one is actually wealth. So after health, which is weight loss, then you get your wealth, that's financial advising and all that, how they can make money, because that's what basically many people are interested in. So how they can make money, that's wealth. And the third and final one is called relationship, how they can relate with people, how they can communicate with people and convince people and all that. So that's the three niches that sells on ClickBank Marketplace. Weight loss, which falls under health, wealth, as well as relationship. So that's the top three niches. I'm giving you guys this bonus tip, and if you have any question or any comments so far, just leave it on the comment section below. And like you know me always, I always respond to all my comments. So without wasting much of your time, let's keep on video. So this is the first link I just generated and copied. I'll just hit enter 2 times, and I can do the same thing for the second product. Let me quickly do it for those of you guys that don't understand what I did. Click on promote. The second product is called Research, and once it loads up, you click on generate hop links. Click on generate hop links, and it will load up your hop links. This is my hop links. I'll quickly copy it and go back to this bitly.com and click on create and paste the URL here, and it will automatically refresh itself and show you the custom URL, which you can easily rename. I might just call it Research here. This is the title, Research. This is the title. So here I'll just edit it, weight loss research, or whatever you want to call it. Okay, weight loss, let me say best product. Okay, it's not much that you use the product name, just use an entitled name, because that's what people will be seeing once you start sharing the link. So this is what they will be seeing. So it looks neater and it looks professional. So this is weight loss best product. It looks professional. So I'll quickly click on save. And it will generate the hop link. The link has been edited and created. So I'll just copy it right real quick and come here and paste it. So this is the Research weight loss link, and I can rename them here. I can just come here and put Huge Epics, because I'll save this notepad for future use. So I'll just Huge Epics and come down here and put Research. Okay, this Research on let me quickly close down this space. So this is research. Okay, so this is the original hop link from ClickBank, so I can as well put it here. It doesn't matter, but this one works. And one cool thing about this bitly.com is that once you create a link like I just did right now, you can see how many clicks you are getting, so you know whether people are actually clicking on your links or if your link is not being clicked, so you are not making sales. So you know how many people are clicking on your links per day, so you can know how much you'll be able to earn. So for example, now this is the one I just created right now. This is weight loss research. As you can see, this is research and it has 0 clicks. And if assuming someone clicks this, once I share it out there and someone clicks on it, I'll get 1 click here. Total, it will change to 1, from 0 to 1. This is weight loss epics. It's still 0, but once someone clicks on it, it will change. The one I showed you guys earlier on my other video, it has already gotten 1 click. So this is where it got 1 click. So you know how many people clicks on your links and know how much you'll be able to expect and where to move. Imagine you are not getting much clicks, you can now promote your links in another platform. Okay, so that being said, guys, I will show you guys where to promote this. And the first method I'm going to show you guys, should be showing you guys in this video, is called the blog method, using people's blog to promote your product, which I'll show you guys. So go to Google and just type something like weight loss, just type weight loss and click on enter. So here is where the juice is, so make sure you stick to the very end of this video. Just pay close attention right now. So once you click on weight loss, come right here, they say tools, click on tools, come to anytime, change it to like 24 hours or more, or a week, the past week, or let me just use 24 hours. So it will now filter the results by the latest post under the 24 hours windows. So anybody that created a post regarding weight loss in the last 24 hours, their post is here. So all these posts are the hottest posts under 24 hours that people have posted under weight loss. Okay, so this is how it works. So what I will do is I'll open this on a new tab. I'll open this on a new tab. I'll come down here, open this on a new tab, open this on a new tab, open as many as you can on a new tab, open all as in on a new tab. On the front page, you can go as well as the second page. Just go hard on this. You can go as well to the second page, or you can come down here, up here, and click on filter by week. So you can as well come to tools again and filter it by last 1 week and still open those tabs. Okay, I don't want to make this video very long, but you get the gist. So the more links you share on those blog posts, the more you are able to make sales. So the more the better. You have to put in work. There's no shortcut to this. So this is the first method I'm showing you guys. So make sure you stay tuned to my channel and watch my videos. I'll show you guys different ways. Facebook, they have a whole lot. This is the first method, so let's dive right into it. So this is the blog post. I just open up this blog post, and once you open up this blog post, you see what I'm talking about. It's about weight loss. They have a whole lot of topics here. Weight loss, this one is weight loss, this one is weight loss. As you can see, 15 hours ago, this one is 27th October, that's yesterday, 27th. You can see the date actually. So this one is 15 hours ago. I might just go with this one and click on this one that says 15 hours ago. So these are people's blog, and you just come right here and create comments, then sharing your links. But before you share your links, make sure you give value. Don't just come here and post your link. They will just mark you as spam and you won't get any clicks. So what you do right here is come here, and as you can see from here, you can see comments from 15 hours ago. This have already had 1 comment already. Just click on this comment tab and it will open up. So here's where you add your own comment. Okay, so I'll show you guys in a bit. So this is the first comment that this post already have, by one guy called Madhu As. Pardon me if I don't pronounce it right. So this is what the guy said: to lose weight, stop eating. I'm 60 years old and I went 15 hours a day. I don't eat breakfast, blah blah blah. His English is not that good. So what you do here, but you get the point. What you do here is come here and create your own post. You might say hi, wow, or you might say wow, this is a great content. This is a great content right here. Just give the guys compliments, because this guy that posted this, they spend their time to make this post, so just give them a shout out. So just encourage them, like this is great content right here. I'm glad I made this post. I'm glad I came across this post. Okay, glad I came across this post. My mom, I might say my mom or my dad or my uncle, whatever you want to say, and I have Grammarly installed in my system, so it can easily correct me on my grammar errors. So this, like this high, is telling me that I have to put a comma, right? So I can easily correct this, so my English will be intact. So you can easily correct that. So I might say my uncle, who is, I might say 200 pounds, recently lost 50 pounds under 6, let me say 6 months is too much, let me say under 1 month after he came back from vacation. Okay, after he came back from vacation, right? Stay with me on this video, guys. You guys are gaining a whole lot of value. I've getting comments, how do I promote my ClickBank products? Now is the time, so pay close attention to what I'm doing, and you can take your time and edit this text so it will be more convincing. Take your time. I'm just trying to show you guys how it works, so I'm trying to rush it, so I won't make this video very long. But if you are smart out there, you get the point, right? So I visited for 1 month after he came back from vacation, and I asked him what he did to lose weight, and he recommended me to this product that he used. I just want to share it out there for those of you guys. I just want to share it out there for those of you guys that want to lose weight. Okay, so this is it. I want to lose weight. Visit this link. Click on this link to purchase the product. Okay, so what I'll do now, I'll come back to the notepad and come down here and copy this link that I just created from bit.ly, from ClickBank to bit.ly, right? So I'll just come here and paste it, so they will come here and do this. So I'll just quickly go up to this, correct any grammatical error, so your English will be polished and neat, so it will look more professional. So I'll simply copy this whole text and come back to my notepad and paste it, because I'll be doing this to subsequent posts that we just open, all those blogs that we open from Google, all these posts right here. I'll go to their comments and be posting this. I might edit it a bit and post it as well. So now after doing this, come here, put your full name. I might put Michael Chukwu, right? Come here, put your email address. I can put Chido04 Chido original, right? This is my official email in case you want to contact me for business purposes. Chido original 247 at gmail.com, right? So this is my official email, Chido original 247. Location, I might say United States, I might say Nigeria, whatever you want to say. I say Nigeria. So they'll ask you a security check. 7 + 1 is 8. You put it right here. So this is it. Some of these blog posts doesn't allow you to put your links here. Okay, some of them don't allow you to put your links, and if you try to post it and they reject it based on your link, what you can do is to remove this HTTP and put a space on bit.ly. After bit.ly, just put a space. Any smart person, you will just join those spaces together and go to the link. Okay, but if let me just post it, let me know if they will accept it. Okay, from what they say, you can't post this review as it contains URL. That's what I say. Some of these blogs doesn't allow it. So what you can do is to come here, leave a space, give a space at this bit. The any smart person will know, maybe will think that it's an error and just join it and visit the link as well, because they're desperate to lose weight. So then you remove this HTTP, because by default, even if you go there, it will automatically generate HTTP. Click on this product. So I'll just put hyphen or dash rather. So this is the link they will visit. So I'll now click on post. By default, it will now post the comment. So from here you can see that it have posted this comment. So refrain from posting comment that are obscene, defend, whatever, blah blah blah. And the comments have been posted, right? So the comment have been posted and it's going on the review. We send you a verification email to verify. Just follow the link in the message. So the comment is going on the review. From my experience with this, they will approve the comment and your comment will appear here. So anybody that comes to this and reads this blog and go through the comment section will see your post. And depending on how convincing your write-up is, they'll click on that link and make the purchase. Once they make the purchase, you get your money, like clickbank money right here that I showed you guys, which is huge. This is 153 USD, right? So this is what you get just by making one sale. So you can be more convincing here. Come here and make it more convincing, right? Just whatever. If you want to fabricate a story, it's okay. So just make it more convincing and all that. If you know anybody that is a good content writer, they can just help you out and write a good content, and you just post it here and do all the necessary stuff that I showed you there. And this process, you go to another blog, go down, look for their comment section, and if they don't have any comment section, not to worry, go to the next one and check for their comment section as well. So these are posts, and each blog post have multiple weight loss posts as well with their time frame, so you can know which one I can open this one, I can open this one and post as many as you can. And even if you exhaust all of them, go back to this Google page, filter it by a week, open all of them, just do it, put in work. If you do this in a day, just one day, just sacrifice one day and do all this in a day, and I assure you guys will make more than one sales. And that's the first method to make sales. That's blogging method, using blogging method on Google. Leave a comment or any question below. Like, you know me always, I respond to all my questions and all my comments because I care about you guys, and I hope you guys care about me as well. A playlist will pop up on your screen right now, so make sure you click on that playlist and watch as much videos as you can, showing you guys different ways to make money online on 2020 and beyond. So click on that playlist, like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, especially in this pandemic, and turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified each time I drop awesome videos that is giving you guys value like I just did right now. So that being said, guys, I will see you on my next video.